Okay, guys, update on the rest of the truck. We went down to the junkyard and we got the hood cowl for the windshield wipers. I don't know what happened here. Mine is all smooth, or at least it was before I broke it into pieces. And somehow I didn't notice, but the set that I got has smooth edges. You see here the flares for the edge are nice and smooth, but the center piece has texture. So it's not too big a deal, but even standing back here, you can kind of see it. But what's more important is it's all there and it's not broken. The other thing is, yay, I got the big, ugly ass Dumbo looking side mirrors that come with S10s or Blazers or anything of this rough year. Now I did get the upgraded ones that actually fold in and they do work, so that's nice. And I checked before I grabbed them at the junkyard and they're pretty tight as far as like staying in adjustment, so that should be pretty good. I cleaned them up a little bit. They're rough like the rest of this thing, but I mean, at least now I have better side mirrors. The front of the truck, I changed back to my halogens. I got real tired of everybody flashing their brights at me because I had LED headlights. So I switched back to my halogens. You know, it is what it is. Hopefully I can see pretty well. These give off a more yellow light. But I guess I will probably put some fog lights or something on them. It's kind of a pain on this. And yes, I know you can look at this and tell that the bumper's not even. And that's from some kind of accident it was in at some point. You can see that big smashy looking section of the bumper there that I tried to fix as best as possible. Yeah, so it's not super even, but again, $500 truck. The thing about fog lights on this thing is if you almost got to put them like dead center. And even then you're almost SOL because your turn signals are here and here in the bumper. Now I cleaned those up a lot and I did a quick clear coat on them. It's kind of hazy because it's like 40 degrees out here, 50 degrees, whatever. So it's not the best spray painting environment, but they look better than they did. But if I mount fog lights like right here and here, you're not going to be able to see the turn signals very clearly. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do there. Maybe if I can make it look classy enough, I might try to figure out something with the grill, maybe like a small set here and here or something. Something that hopefully doesn't impede the turn signals as much. But so yeah, the bumper's on. I just spray painted that black. I probably have some footage of that. I got the new computer up and running, so right now anything that's on the old computer, which is pretty much everything, is inaccessible because it's all on those hard drives and I didn't transfer anything when I set it up, so that's probably lost to time. And then, of course, you see the headliner that we just talked about. Now, I have to do the seat and clean up this dusty mess in here. Also, I'm not going to do the whole door sill, but I still have some fiberglass work there that didn't get covered by the green. And yes, I'm showing you all the ugly nastiness of the rocker work that I did. Don't judge me. So I do need to come back over this area here, maybe up a little there, with some spray paint. I'm probably going to do like just a black, just something simple on these door sills, just to get that covered. But then we should be good. The seat, I have some foam. I got a bunch of junk in the way. I got some foam to put in here. I have the spray adhesive. So we're basically going to try to stuff this, use the adhesive. Then I have a whole sheet of foam matting that I'm going to put down over this once I get it repaired. And then I have a not bad quality seat cover. It's kind of like that coarse material. Can't really easily show it to you here, but it's kind of got like that Mexican poncho kind of carpet feel thing that they wear. I don't know what they're called, forgive me. But you know, it's almost like tweed, maybe. But that should do pretty good on the seat cover, so I have to get onto that. And then we're actually almost ready to get this truck damn near drivable. And then one of the last projects, which is going to bite me in the ass because of the temperature, is to get a wooden tailgate built for back here. Now I painted the rear bumper, as you can see here. These lovely shots. I got these the body trim pieces. I bought those off Rock Auto. And then sometime soon in the future, this whole body line all the way down is going to get bed liner. So that's where we're at, guys, with the truck. Just a little bit of Saturday night fun here. There's going to be more giveaways and more things going on. I lied. I lied to you guys, and I apologize for that. I said if I ever started getting stuff given to me, tools and whatnot, that I would give them away. Oh, fuck's sake, that's heavy. I lied. This first one, guys, I'm going to keep. Ulsa Tools was kind enough to send me a present. It is their tool backpack, and this thing is ridiculous. There will be a review coming on it soon. There's pouches everywhere. There's all kinds of areas if I could work my camera inside for tools. It's very sturdy. It's my first one, guys, and this is really useful. I already ran to the junkyard with it, so I'm probably going to keep this one, but rest assured the giveaways will continue. I just bought a bunch of stuff at the store today, and I will fill you guys in on that stuff later. And also, I will be doing a review of the Ulsa Tools tool backpack here, and it's awesome. Alright guys, that's what I got for tonight. I'm going to get back to doing a little more work on this thing and continue drinking beer, maybe catch a live stream if anybody's on. And I will see you guys later.